Okay, guys. So since we're learning multiple tools and WordPress as a full-fledged one platform, now let us look at whatever we do activities, right? What we need a tracking, right? Other day when we're discussing about affiliate marketing, I shown some examples, right? Now we are sending traffic to Amazon, fine, but how Amazon can know that you are the one who is sending traffic? How they will know? Because
Sort
there
of
is some
words mentioned after this Amazon website name, URL name.
URL name, but how they can track whether you are the one who recommended that product or Gayatri recommended that.
Yeah,
How will
there's some. There were last time you showed some alphabetic numbers, alphabet number, tag.
tag equal to, right? So
Yeah.
that's how Amazon tracks. Similarly, now we are not just doing Amazon, right? We are learning multiple subjects, multiple topics. Now what I'm telling is, I said maybe one book I recommended. That recommendation I am sharing with all of you and ask you guys, please share with your friends. Okay, I'm sharing one link. Now, right now we have around 9-10 people here, right? So I created one link here. I mean, product link. Now I'm sharing with all of you. Say Sriram I given and I given to Arun, Gayatri. Like this for everyone I given. Now by end of the day, I got say 100 clicks I got. Now how will I know from Sriram how many clicks came, from Arun how many clicks came, from Gayatri how many clicks came? Is there any solution can you guys suggest? Okay, so for this purpose only, we use something called URL shortening service. Okay, so now what I'll do is when I create a product offer, I will create a link for Sriram separately. I'll create a link for Arun separately. I'll create a link for Gayatri separately and give it to you. Then end of the day, when I got total 100 sales happened fine. But these many 100 sales came from who, which person? If I have to know, I have to just refer that link. Right. Now, when I'm sending a meeting link, right? What is that link I'm sending it to you? Actually, when you create a meeting link, right? I'll just show you calendar. See, if I have to create a link, right? Normally, what happens is it's already copied. Now I take a meeting link. So what I'll do, I'll just show you how lengthy it is. See, this is the meeting link I have to send you. But are you guys getting this link every day, or are you getting a link like say, what is that? This link you're getting. Which link you're getting on every day for me to join the meeting?
Second links.
Second one. Right. So,
The evening meeting.
sorry.
The link which is below is the evening meeting.
Sorry, Arun, I didn't get you.
The link which is below
Uh-huh.
the IHHD8. That's the evening link.
Unique link.
Evening link.
That's what I'm saying. So evening or whenever it is, normally if I have to send you the link, I have to send you this much bigger link.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
But what I'm doing is the same similar link only I'm shortening here. So if you actually copy this link and go to your browser.
Yeah, I'm doing it every day. I'm opening that way only.
So if when you click on here, right, what will happen is it is actually opening that that lengthy URL if you see here.
Yeah, it's opening in a lengthy.
So this one only I'm sending, but when you actually open it, see this is what it is. opens, right? See, this is bigger than the actual instant meeting link. This much is a bigger link. I have to send it to people.
Yeah.
Right. Now, what if I'm sending you a text message? Can this go in one text message?
No, impossible.
Not possible, right? So what happens? It will go in a like 2-3 text or more than that, like 160 characters, right? So it goes maybe 2-3 text it will be used. Right. Now, if you see a flight, any travel you do, right, you will get a survey link. The survey link actually it will be lengthier like this, but when they send you, they'll send you the shortened link. Right. The popular, if you ask me, there is a website called maybe. This is a popular website for shortening the links and all. If you so this company also provides. Now, if I want to create a shortened link, I can say click on create, and I'll paste that lengthier URL. Right. So immediately it will create one shortened URL here. I can copy this. Now I can send this as well. From tomorrow, I can send this as well. So what is the benefit of this now? One is shortening the complete URL to the shortest possible form, right? Now we can do tracking here. So when people clicks on it, we can do tracking here. Now see, okay, maybe this one. So if people wanted to copy anything like this, right? So they'll come to know how many clicks are happening. Maybe, yeah. So there are 3 clicks happened like this. So similarly, we have our own product now. Okay, for shortening the URLs, we have our own product. This, how it helps, first is shortening the link. What else it can be benefit? Tracking, fine. What else it can benefit?
Easy to
so
give
that
advertisements.
perfect, Babu, perfect, right? So we will go through that. So our product is called goshortlink.com, right? So we'll just so this is our product, right? So we are actually planning for some commercial offers here, but right now we have a basic plan, then starter, pro, and starter plan, student plan. Then we have enterprise plan. So this is we designed it for the students, right? That means whoever is taking our program for them. So this plan will be activated for all of you guys when you join the program, right? So what all the benefits it has? Let me log in. See, first thing is we discuss about what? Tracking. Now you can see here. So every day you're getting links. I mean, whenever you get a link, this link in the morning session, evening session, right? When you click on it, actually I'll be able to track it. Maybe, how many of you accessing from which device also will come to know. So if I click on this 72 clicks, so for this one, I got 72 clicks. So when it is created 5 days ago, right? So if I go here, see, I got 72 clicks. In that 55 unique clicks, can someone explain me what is 72 clicks and what is 55 unique clicks?
Okay, only 55 members are there actually. They reuse the clicks actually.
Okay.
Okay, if one person actually is clicking more than one also actually, those many clicks are 72. Your total members are 55 only.
Perfect. Sriram, yes. So when a person clicks multiple times, right, that will not be coming in a unique click, right? Maybe I clicked 5 times, so Sriram clicked 5 times, Arun clicked 5 times, right? So we actually clicked 15 times. That is a clicks. But in that one, unique clicks are how many? Only 3, because Arun, me, and Sriram only we clicked, right? That is called unique clicks, right? So now There's a QR code generation, all that will be there, of course. So if you see the, yes, Arun, you want to ask something?
No, I was saying that that's the number of people clicks. That is the unique clicks, right?
No, it's not number of people. Yes, I think you can say like that, right? Number of people, yes. But maybe if you're clicking from two devices, right, then it is a two unique clicks.
Okay.
Right, that means your mobile, your tab, your system, like that, right? Yes, but what you say is right.
But it doesn't count who is clicking, no?
No. That's a privacy, right? That is a privacy matters.
Because I'm clicking from the same time mobile as well as laptop.
That's what I'm telling. So it will take it as unique clicks.
Yeah.
Right, that's the thing. So I cannot track whether Arun is clicking or Prem is clicking. Okay, yes. So now if you come here, now it will tell you, see how often you are getting clicks and all, right? Now if you come down, also you'll also come to know from which countries you are getting actually this traffic. Right. So most of the clicks are from India only. Fine. Then if you still scroll down, see, you will come to know operating systems, Android, Windows, Mac. Okay, we have Mac as well. Guess who is from Mac? Who is using Mac?
Me, Anna.
Wow, cool. So Gayatri has a Mac. So right. So she clicked 6 times, right? Then we have a Linux. Who is having Linux? Okay, fine. So like this, right? So most of the people are actually attending from the Android, right? So this is more clicks. Same way browsers, which browser they're using, right? Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and mobile. This is a mobile browser. And from where this topic is coming, direct is actually more, right? So this is how I will get the report on each URL what I shared. So you guys understood what is the value of this now?
Yes, Prakash.
Okay, cool.
Is this your own product, Anna?
Yes. Right. We'll explain more things now. So like this, maybe I want to show from other locations. It got also 72 clicks. Okay, maybe I'm selecting it custom range. Okay. See, from Singapore, we got 2 clicks. From India, we got 70 clicks. Right. So this is how you'll be able to track from which all the locations it is coming. Right. Not only that, you have a lot of other benefits. I'll be just taking you through. Maybe I just want to show 2-3 results here. Okay, this has 333 clicks. Right. See, now whatever I'm sharing, right, I can actually track how many people are coming, how it is coming, like that. Now, what all links we are creating, we will use this product. Of course, now, whoever is able to start practicing it and updating the status, this license will be activated, as and when the progress happens, right? For them, it will be activated. So one is shortening the URL. So how easily you can do? See, I might be sharing this website with someone, right? All of you. But I want to know that actually my referral it came. It is actually shortened URL only, right? This is not lengthy URL. But still, I can actually copy this, come to this one. I can actually create a unique link for this. So whoever clicks on that unique link, like for example, if I shorten this, see, it created one URL here. So this one, if I copy and send it to you, let me open incognito here. Now, obviously, it will go to that other, the referral URL. But end of the day, what will happen is I'll be able to track it, saying that, okay, if I go to dashboard, see, so the URL what I shared it is so and so title, and I already got 1 click. right? So it doesn't mean whether it is a lengthy URL, short URL. What we actually use is for tracking, right?
Yeah,
That is one way.
one doubt. Because I'm having one doubt.
Yes.
Actually, when you are sending this shortened links, actually like this, actually I scared to open a few links. Actually, I don't know exactly what is a link and all these actually. Sometimes
Okay.
actually, I scared to open few links actually. I'm not
Understood.
opening. Yeah.
See that's what. So it happens, but still now when you need a tracking, right? Or else you'll not, end of the day, you'll not come to know from where exactly the traffic is coming. Maybe some kind of, what to say, bots are actually accessing your website. You will not come to know, right?
Correct.
Huh.
But actually, same thing like actually, I can get spell.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. So yeah, that is actually valid point. But yes, but the purpose here is entirely different, right, Sriram? So I think we will look into that because see, most of the browsers, right, it will suggest, or if people are little vigilant, like if they are careful, they will scan the URL first, right? We see a lot of people sending, but here we are sending something with the HTTPS and all. So yes, it depends again. Right. So now if you see in the right hand side, it shows the global map where from where and all you're getting traffic, everything it will be able to see here as a yourself. Whatever the links you shared, you'll be able to see it here. Right. Okay. Now let us go back to the no, that is one. One is shortening the URL. Second is tracking. What else we can do? We can create something called overlay pages. We can create something called splash pages, right? And it has a lot of other features. Okay, the actual link is what? GoShortlink.com. But when you are shortening it, what is happening? It is actually coming with the URL called d-4s.me, right? d-4s.me. So if I open this is also opening the same website, right? So for branding, we actually using this, but when customers, right, for them it is this one. So in any company comes to us and says we want to use our own custom domain, right? We can give that. Maybe when you are using this product, right, you don't want to show this one, this d-4s.me or goshortlink.com. Now maybe Sriram says, Prakash, my URL is same, sriramtech.com. I want to use it, but when people are opening it, I want to track it myself. Right. So I don't want to show people or Sriram customers, he's using this URL. So what he can do, he can actually use his own domain. Maybe sriramtech.com, he will take s-tech.com, something like that for a shortened URL. That also he can add it to here. So that is in custom domain. Right. So that comes in the higher plan, enterprise plan, we actually provide that. Like this, we have multiple things and multiple features. Right. So then expired links. You can actually give a date when you're creating any link right here. If you go to advanced options, you can actually give a expiration. Or for example, if you want that link to be working for a week, you can do that. If you want to protect that with a password, so when you want to do that, maybe something for internal teams you are sharing it, right? Maybe in university you wanted to share with only your students, right? So that time you can actually assign a password and then you share it. So whoever is opening the link, it will ask for a password. Once they put the password, then only the actual link will open, right? Then they can add a custom alias. Okay, custom alias in the sense, I'll just show you here itself, I think. Okay, see now there's one URL here. If I copy this, see what it is showing, domain/Gmail ID as a Microsoft ID, right? So if you want to use this one, you can use your Gmail account, right, for converting into Microsoft account as well. So this I'll tell you maybe later. So I'm actually doing what? Custom alias I'm doing it. That means not a unique code. I'm actually defining it whatever I want, right? That also it is possible. So same way here, see, one more link is here called Treasure It, right? Custom, yep. Dropbox personal. right? If you want to invite Dropbox person, so what I did, Dropbox-personal. And this one you see, Teams link only, I may named it as a day session. That means it is a alias for me. So I'll come to know here, it's a day session saying that, right? This is what custom alias. Then we have a password protection. You can give a description, right? For your own understanding, that's all. Then there's a geo targeting. Then there's a device targeting, guys. Okay. Then pixels. This one you guys will come to know when we are discussing on the ads, like Facebook ads and all. You'll come to know these things, right? So you have options like this. Then let us go to the archived links. Archived is nothing but once the link is for example, if I don't want this link to be there now, I can actually, what I can do, sorry, I can actually, it's showing archive all, so select this. One sec. Yes. So in this one, I can just click on archive. So from my actual home screen, it is gone, right? Now I don't want this link. So what I can do, I can click on archive. It goes off from here. So my home page will look, what all the links I have, only that one only. So maybe I want to archive this. This Microsoft Dropbox. Again, this I don't want here. So I'll archive this. So you're getting it right. That is called archive. That means it is still there. Okay, but not in my home page. Then it is a expired links. So if you put an expiry saying that it should work only for a week, then automatically it gets expired. So right now we have not created anything like that. Then we have bundles, right? So this one will come to know when we are creating it. This is what important thing, splash pages. What is a splash page? What is a overlay page, right? So splash page is where if you're creating something with a kind of, transition, that means you are asking me to, you're actually given a one promotional offer or something. Okay, you're displaying one ad here by saying that get free themes. Okay, so I clicked on this. Maybe you posted somewhere. When I clicked on this advertisement, what will happen is it will open a page, right? It will open a page with your own one more promotion. Maybe that will stay for say 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, I have to see that page, or else in that page I can keep a one small button to click on that. So then that time it actually opens the actual page. Right. So that means get free themes, I'm clicking on it. So I want to get what? That theme only I have to get it, right? That actually I will get it here. Download option will come here. But before this page loads, I will be displaying something here for maybe a couple of seconds. Okay. So now I think Popular, let me see if it is there. So how many of you saw this page? Okay, so when you open this page, right? See, I'm just actually explaining about sign up for a free Popular account, increase social media reach, everything I'm explaining it, right? Okay, sorry. But this page is there for only for a couple of seconds. Now, if someone want to click here, they can click on this view site and go to directly to that page. Fine. So this is called splash page. That means before actually page loads, I'm showing this for a couple of seconds. Or if I don't want, I can actually keep that. I mean, until you click on this one, I can do that. Right? This is called what? Splash page. Okay. When something is about to load, before that, you are displaying something of your own. Maybe that can be product promotion you show, or about yourself you show, or maybe you say, please follow us on our social media channel, something like that. anything you can publish. Getting it right? So if you see this page, see here. So this is one of the page, for students when we're practicing, we actually made this. So premium themes, avail free courses on WordPress, career counseling, free guidance sessions like this. So they designed a small, icon and they put it here. So this is one of the page. Okay, but actually where they're promoting to one separate page here. This is what the end page actually go to. That is your own affiliate product or your own link for the custom product. Right, so you can actually upload this 100 by 100 PNG, which is this one. When you're uploading this icon and all, then this banner, what is the size? All that you'll be able to see here. Right, now then again, what is the message you are trying to put it there? See, get premium themes, and what is the text here? All that actually you are posting it here. You will have 140 characters. That means in a simple, like say 5 to 10 seconds duration, you should be able to put something important for the customer to grab their attention. Right, that's what we are doing here. Right, normally what happens, if you want to do some kind of a promotion or anything, right, you need to have a website. But what I'm showing you here is, if you actually can learn this properly, right, without a website, we are launching something, right? So when people open this website, like, see this is audible. I think this directly opens here. This is a direct URL. Slash. Right, so this is like, your own service here. But when people click on it, it goes to the actual where they're supposed to go. That is a target. Right, so this is like, without website also, you can actually start doing something. That's what is splash page. So if you guys understood, please raise the hands, like, how many of you understood, so that I can go to the next step. Superb.
Anna, did you use WordPress for this product also? No.
I mean, which product you mean to say? Like to make the software you're saying?
Yes.
No. This is not. No. This is an application. It's not a website. It's an application.
No, you created here, right? Something.
That's what I'm saying. So this is on a different platform. Okay. Maybe next when you guys go to the advanced session, you guys will learn that as well. Okay. So this is called splash page, right? So we can utilize this and understand how people are actually coming there, right? Wherever you post some social media channel, anywhere you post something, right? You need to know, okay, who is coming, from where they are coming, like that you should get to know, right? That is what this is, right? Then next is overlay page. Okay, so overlay page is what? Where people open a website, right? It directly go to their website. Okay. One is a splash page we discussed now. Where you are actually put some promotion or you shared one link in somewhere, right? It can be this or it can be a link you sent in social media, right? So what it will happen is it will take them to a page temporarily, right? It will be there for 5 seconds or 10 seconds, or you can make it full, right? But in that one, you will be able to showcase something more. See, when you're sharing a link, in the link, right, it is a shortened URL, right? So there you cannot convey much. But when they're about to go to the actual page, there you can actually display something more, maybe for 5 to 10 seconds, if you can hold them and if you can grab their attention. That's what we're looking for, right? Maybe you are teaching about health related, right? So you will say, click on this to know the, like say, good food habits for reducing your weight, right? Healthy food habits. You said that. So when I'm interested in the topic, right? I want to get some, maybe you say, I'm giving a free ebook. So I want to get that free ebook, fine. So when I'm going to click on that link, for a 5 to 10 seconds, you will show something else saying that start following me on Instagram, or, and watch my videos, so and so link and all. And after that, you are actually redirecting them to download that free ebook. Okay, so here you have a free ebook. Right. So user will not feel that, you are trying to enforce or, ask them to buy something there. Let them go to there, but in between you are showing that for it, like say 5 to 10 seconds or how much over time you want, depending on your, product and all. Now the next is overlay page. What is this overlay is, again, you are sending a link or, social media, you posted some link, right? Now you're taking them directly to the website, wherever they want to supposed to go. Right? I'm seeing that website, but here in somewhere in the bottom or somewhere, right? I can show some kind of, promotion there. That is what overlay is. So you're directly taking them to a page, but in the top, bottom somewhere, you can show a small pop-up with your own message. Customer is seeing the target page, wherever he's supposed to go, right? Because once you click the link, you are telling him to take to the direct page. So that is one example. So let me see if I have a page there. Okay. I think I have used a different link. So let me see that overlay page. Okay. So what we do is, I want to take the people to this website. Okay. So I'm telling, get the domain, for a better price. Okay. So I'm telling you guys, Arun, you have a question?
No.
Okay, because your hand is rising. So
No, sorry.
yeah.
It's some technical problem. It's not lowering.
Okay. So what we are trying to do here is, I'm just telling people, guys, go for this, website, right? And get a domain for discounted price. I can directly shorten this, or else here you can see here, direct or splash or frame, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to the custom overlay. I'll select this, and the URL can be same thing. Right? Even if I want to add any other things, I can do that, right? Maybe I'm giving a free, some kind of a 50% offer, something like that, we are able to offer. That also we can do that. So here in the custom alias, I can say 50% discount or get 50, something like that. So people, when they're seeing the URL itself, d-4s.me/get 50%, something like that it will show. But right now, let us not do that. So I'll shorten this. Okay, this is something. Okay, let me take some other domain. Fine. So some websites might be having some security or things, right? That's the reason. So in this case, what we did is, we created an overlay page. So if someone opens a website, clicks on our link now, you might be posted in social media, or you might be posted in some video post or blog or somewhere. So when people open it, see, the destination page is opened, right? But in the below, here you can see, there's a promotion there. You guys getting it right? So this is called what? Overlay page. That means we are actually taking the customer to the actual destination where they're supposed to go. Same time, we are showcasing something, our own promotion. If they don't want, they can close this. Right? Or else?
Just one doubt, like how we have created this.
Okay, I'll tell you. I'll show you. I'll show you. Right. So now, if people click on this one, it will take them to the customer to the wherever we want them to go. So now, what I want to do, I will click here. Maybe sorry. So I'll say start following us to get more discounts. Right. See, please get hosting, website security, digital marketing like this. Right. So when they click on this, they're actually coming to where our own brand. Right. So whatever product I'm promoting, maybe today you are interested in what some books. Okay. So I'm recommending some books page and all. Fine. But same time I'll say in that message I'll put please start getting follow me on Instagram and get a chance to win. Say maybe one free ebook every month. Right. Something like that I can keep offering there. So yes. So now Arun's question is how I'm creating that. Right. Simple Arun. So overlay page. Click on create. What you want to do, you want to create a message, you want to create a form or poll. You can do the survey also, like say, what color options you need. Maybe you are selling shoes or t-shirts, right? So there you can create a poll there. So what we did is we put a message here. So what is the message? Then what is your text? Again, it is a 140 characters limit, right? What is the label you want? Label in the sense, so when people open this page, right? The label, what you want, that is what here it is we are putting, right? Then what avatar you want. So let me show you the overlay page, existing one, right? See, WordPress advanced course promo. So I don't want this, please. I'll just remove it, right? Get free guidance. Then overlay label. So this is what will attract people. What are the title you're giving? What is the custom message you're putting there, right? So when you see this one, in this small message, you should be able to grab their attention. That's what you're doing. So here, learn more, right? Maybe, let me see. I'll say, get it today, right? Something like that. So where supposed to, if they click on it, where they're supposed to go. This is what your, our own brand page or, your social media account or wherever you want them to go. That's it. Right. Avatar is what you will have a kind of restriction here. That means, standardization.
Okay, now how we are creating the overlay that you have shown it, and how we are attaching with the web, that can you show me?
See, I'm not attached anywhere.
Okay.
What I'm doing is I'm creating a short link. Maybe see today you said Arun, maybe you're launching your own website for selling t-shirts.
Yeah.
So you told me, Prakash, can you promote this? What I'll do, I'll try to promote your t-shirt selling website by adding my own overlay page.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll take your t-shirt selling page, maybe aruncollections.com.
Okay.
Right. This one I supposed to promote, right?
Yeah.
So while doing that, instead of directly shortening it, see, when I do shortening, I can track how many clicks are coming. That's all.
Okay.
Right. From which device they're coming, like that. But when I do this change from there to custom splash or custom overlay, here it will show you what all the things I created already. It will list out here.
Okay.
Right. So I'll simply select that and shorten it. Now, what are the link is creating there? Now see, okay, it's already created. So whoever is opening this link, see, even though it is empty page, my splash page is coming there.
Okay.
Because it is running from our own server now.
Okay.
If you see the address bar, right? It is running from here, our own server. So what are the pages in the background? It doesn't matter. For me, this matters.
Okay.
Right. So it is not that you are linking something, you need to have a programming knowledge, nothing. Even like, if you try to start practicing today, within 2 days, you will come and tell me, Prakash, this has more features.
Okay.
Okay, it is like that. So this is what overlay page. Right. So when you're creating these many pages, you can actually bundle that. For books related, you can create a bundle and keep it. Okay, so this is called bundles. So we'll discuss that. Then there is something called, okay, guys, overlay page is clear. Please raise the hands, whoever understood it. Thanks, Sriram. Thanks, Ankababu. Okay, right. So thanks, Bindu. So these are the small things, right? Yes, Nagendra. Right. So these are the small features, or you can. Some people think, right, like it might be need a programming knowledge or something, right? But when you're using something application like this, I'm not saying that you have to use only Go Shortlink now. There are other applications, right? I just shown you other ones. There are products are there, but right now what we're trying to do is we are trying to launch our own product with our own brand name. That's all. Okay. Now next is pixels, tracking pixels. What exactly is this? So the other the time Arun is asking, right? Can we track who is actually visiting your page? Yes. Using this, you will be able to track. You means not you. Facebook can track. Google can track. Right. So see here options are there. Even Quora, whoever is when you're promoting something through this, even Quora can track. So how this actually help? Okay, of course, this is supposed to be covered in where in Facebook ads and all, but I can cover it in 5 minutes. What happens is when okay, how Facebook or Google, right? When you visit something yesterday, right? Yesterday you're searching for, Sriram?
Yeah, Prakash, I'm having one doubt.
Yes, yes, yes.
Instead of short link, actually direct link, can I use direct link here?
See, direct link, yes, you can use, but for that you need not to use this service, right? If you want to send directly, now see,
Yeah.
Arun is opening his own t-shirts shop, so it's a aruncollections.com.
Okay.
So if you don't want to use it, you don't use it. You just send this directly.
No, yeah, I want to track from here actually.
Then you. So
That's
when
my
you.
mode.
When you have. Exactly, Sriram. But when you want to track, you have to use this short link service.
Can't I use full link here? Full website?
I didn't get you.
Can't I use full link actually?
Full
I want to
link
use normal.
aruncollections.com. You want to use aruncollections.com.
Yeah, exactly.
You can use, see, for that, if you want only tracking part, right, you need not to use any shortening service. Already Google gives you that method. Google Analytics gives you what all people from where and all you're getting traffic, everything it comes there. But here, this purpose is entirely different, Sriram. Why? Because I told you, right? I gave an example. Like now, Arun says, Arun gives me target saying that Prakash, you have to do at least 100 sales per week. Okay, he gave me a target. So I took the target. Then Ankababu also took a target. Right. So now we both are working to sell the products. Now maybe end of the week, now Arun got say 250 sales. Right. If you don't use this unique link, right, the full URL, if you start using it and not the unique link, he cannot track saying that, okay, from who the actual sales came. Right. But in other way, he can use his own domain here. Instead of using my URL here, d hyphen whatever the URL what we are actually promoting here, he can add his own domain if he wants. If that is your question.
Yes.
He can add his domain. Like say, instead of aruncollections.com is actually his website, right? So his own website, he cannot use it here. He has to take one more, like maybe arun-collections.com or something like that. Maybe some other URL he has to take and add it here. So instead of d-4s.me, he will use his own brand. That's what the custom domain we told initially, right?
Fine. Understood. Clear.
That's all. Right. So, but here the purpose of using shortening services, not just tracking. Right. Tracking means even your Google Analytics, right? If you go to okay, let me see. See, this like this, it gives you a lot of information here already. Okay, so when we launch the blogs and all, you'll be able to actually see that live screens. So like this, there are a lot of information. Let me see.
Even this Microsoft also has got analytics. I've seen their apps.
See, you talking about the website analytics or?
I've seen in what you gave the Office, no? That Office have found analytics.
That is called Power BI. I mean, it
Power
has
BI, yes, Microsoft has the Power BI.
like that. They actually launched one more product, but here what we're talking about is website analytics. I mean, how much traffic you're getting, from which locations you are actually tracking. All that comes here. Not why it is not coming the full screen. Yeah, maybe like this. See, from United States, how many visits are coming, from Brazil, from France, what all things are happening. Here you can see, right? But here we are trying to filter that. So in this traffic, I cannot say, from me, how many sales, how many clicks came for Arun. Here he cannot see, right? He can see overall, okay, this much traffic he reached, he got it. But through whose reference it got, we don't know, right? Okay, so the next thing is tracking pixels. This is what we're talking about here. Now, any website, right? Now, today you visited a page and started searching for iPhone 12 Pro, right? You started searching for this. Now, from tomorrow onwards, you will get the ads related to that or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, sorry. Nagendra, you want to ask a question?
Yes, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me 1 second, bro. I don't understand.
Okay, so iPhone 12 Pro, if you're searching for today, from tomorrow onwards, you will start getting what? Ads related to that, right? Why it will come, how it will come? Because you take any platform, right? Like Google, Facebook, all of them is actually tracking what is actually happening in your system, in your device. Google tracks all the time, right? Facebook tracks all the time what you're browsing, right? Yes, Nagendra, your voice is not clear. You said something you didn't understand.
Now audible.
Yeah, now you are clear. Fine. Right. So now, when people are visiting Google or Facebook, right? I mean, today I'm visiting a page and searching for some device, right? From tomorrow, ads will start coming, right? How it is able to come is the moment I start searching for, Google will track it and will make a note. Okay. Now today, Prakash is searching for this. Now tomorrow, what happens? Maybe Gayatri will import iPhone 12. iPhone 12 she'll import Samsung. She's importing these phones and keeping it in stock. Now what she will do? She will go to Facebook and tells whoever is searching for iPhone 12 Pro, right? For them, show my ad related to iPhone 12 and Samsung both, or maybe she might be getting only Samsung phone, right? Samsung say Note 20 or something, which is equivalent to iPhone 12, right? Note 20. These phones she's importing from, for her showroom. Now what she does, she will go to Facebook and tells Facebook, whoever is searching for iPhone 12 from last 7 days, for them show this promotion about Samsung Note 20, right? Now Facebook will start doing that. How they will do that? Because yesterday they already tracked how many people are searching for iPhone 12. That means who is showing interest about iPhone 12. You guys understanding, right? So
Yeah.
Yes.
cool. right? So that's how people, I mean, Facebook or these things will track. So how it is happening is through this tracking pixels, right? Any website you put, right, they're actually tracking your data. There is something called cookies comes into the, most of the websites will show a pop-up, right? We are using cookies, please accept our cookies policy and all. Okay, I'll give you one more example, guys. So cookies is, now you just imagine when you're walking on a street, okay, you're going for some buying something on a street. Now someone stranger came to you and he offered some cookies to you. Okay, I mean to say biscuits, right? So those cookies. So when you picked up, like, he said, sir, taste it out, taste it and see how it tastes and all. So you got curious. Maybe you found him, little trustworthy. So you took one cookie and tasted it and said it is very good. Okay. Now you started going from there. Now, if that guy starts following you, how you will feel?
You're tracked.
Exactly, right? You'll feel irritated. You'll feel, frustrated. Why this guy is coming behind me by just taking one cookie, right? The same thing happens in the digital world. Okay, now don't get scared. That's what happening already from years, right? So any website, when you opening and browsing any information, they're tracking, right? That's why yesterday also I shown you one example, right? Now if I go to this website, they're writing nice blog about cooking, right? But now when I click on something here, right? Okay, today still, see here. This is advertisement, right? Again, there is advertisement. How these advertisements are coming up? Because, okay, I don't know. This I didn't search for this cooking items recently. 100% natural cast iron cookware. Wow. See, again, we are going back to the previous generation, cast iron. Non-stick, everything is gone. Right. So these advertisements, how it is coming? Because maybe some information what I'm searching for, they tracked it, and now according to that, they started promoting this. Or maybe what we've opened a cooking website, right? Cooking blog. That's why they might be showing these items. This is not relevant for me, but relevant for the blog. But most of the time, what will happen is whatever information you searched recently, right, that will start coming here. Right. That is what tracking pixels does. So what we are trying to do here is, now today, what are the links you shared with people? Maybe today you are promoting, say, free course on WordPress. Right. So this is what we're doing, right? Yesterday, today, that's what we learned. Now, when you giving this free course to on WordPress, what you will do, you will create a link saying that something like free WP. Like this, I'll share with the people. Now this link is accessed by maybe 10,000 people. Right. I will not know who is that actually, right? It might be Gayatri might have accessed it. Maybe Gayatri referred to her friends. In that, few friends got, shared with their friends. Like that, by within like say 2 days, I got 10,000 views. 10,000 clicks happen. That means I can track what only up to there, right? But if I can add a pixel here, right, that Facebook pixel or targeting pixel, what will happen is tomorrow I can actually put one more thing, say that advanced course on WordPress. Already these 10,000 people clicked on this previous link, right? Now what I'll do an advanced course, which is costing say 10,000 rupees. Today we are giving it for maybe 499. Okay, for 499 we are offering. Like that, I'll create one more link this time. So this is advanced WP. This link, and this time I'll tell Facebook, now target this URL for the people whoever is visited last 2 days. Right. The first thing is you already visited my page, right? Now next time when I promote something for you, it will become a familiar face or familiar page display and all, right? So there is a chance you might click on that and go ahead and buy it. because I already started offering you free yesterday or 2 days back or 1 week back. Now this time if I start promoting, something advanced by giving a like this discount, 10,000 rupees worth of course I'm giving for 499 rupees. There is a chance of you buying it is higher, right? That's what we can do using this method, tracking pixel. Right now you guys will be thinking, sir, we are learning courses, or we are doing this practice and all. Next, how we promote? These are the different methods we would be using it to promote your brand, personal brand, or anything you wanted to. What we need is we need tracking first. So tracking is one from the the URL itself or the actual traffic. But okay, Facebook or this Google, right? They are not sharing any information who is actually visiting you. They are going to show the links to the people who visited your page. Okay, so every day you are sharing something useful, right? Now already there is a trust created between you and me. Now tomorrow you are actually able to track and send me that promotion only to me. Or else what will happen? You have to, instead of sending to 10,000 people, you have to send it to 1 lakh people. In 1 lakh people, maybe 1,000 people only will click on it. But if you send it to only these 10,000 people who is already seen your page last 1 week or last 1 month, who is seeing you all the time, there is already you have a customer that you will get converted. Maybe 3,000 customers will come here. But when you're sending it to all 1 lakh new people, right, the chance of conversion will be lesser. That too when you say buy something. Here what happened? We given you free one first. So this is what the 10,000 people are. Those 10,000 people, when you're showing something better, advanced, for a huge discount you're offering, the chance of converting that is higher, right? Now what I would request is go to goshortlink.com, register yourself, right, with a free account, and let me know. Once whoever is registered, just text me saying that I am registered. What we do is I'll upgrade the plan to the premium version. Right, for next 3 months you will have the premium version. You can practice it. Okay, with all the features, what all the discussed features we'll actually show you there. Right. So tomorrow is maybe you guys want to take holiday, but I would request please start practicing things. Right now I want to know, maybe you are sharing your what to say. I'll just let me take
Sir, can we make YouTube links?
YouTube
YouTube links also applicable for this, sir?
Yes, Anku Babu. Okay, what I'll do is I'm just showing you one more. For example, now if I'm asking you to share your Quora link, I can actually paste my Quora link here and I can shorten it and send it to people. So now you will come to know from this URL, right? Maybe for Instagram you create a different link, or Twitter you create a different link and share with people. Now end of the day you will come to know from the Twitter alone how many people actually came and visited your page. Right? You guys getting understanding, right? So once you register, with a free account itself, you can start creating 10 links, right? So try to practice that, and let me know if you guys have any questions, right? Quora, Twitter, all these things. Now you think from your side how to be used, right, guys?